Right now you can see I'm using Android Studio, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code in Android Studio. Okay, to do that, at first here you can see a search icon. You can simply click here. Then here you simply search plugin. And see, this is plugins. Go there, and inside these actually you will simply search Claude. Now you can see here is Claude Code beta. It's actually from Anthropic PBC. Okay, so you can install this plugin by clicking directly from here. So if I click here and accept this, look, it's downloading, and make sure you install it from Anthropic PBC. Don't install others Claude plugin. Okay, so this is actually official plugin. When it's done, you can close this, and now you can see this is the Claude icon. You can simply click here, and now here you will go with yes, I trust. Now you can see here is the Claude interface. You can just start chatting from here, or let me show you another options. If I close here, then you can see this is terminal. You can simply type Claude and then press enter. Now here you can also see the Claude plan. If you don't have an account here, you will have to create an account, and make sure you are using Claude subscription for this. I have already purchased Claude Pro, and you can see I'm using Opus 5 model. If you want to try others model, you can simply move to the model and then press enter, and see here are few options. You can go any of it. Okay, let me try to build a feature or something. Okay, I will tell write a login and log out page for my app. Okay, I will just say something like this and then press enter. And now you can see Claude start building the applications. Yes, proceed. It have written the code for me. Here you can see the code. I will accept it. So look, it's creating code for me. Allow it again. You can see it successfully created auth repository.kt, Kotlin file, auth view model file, login screen, and other stuff. You can just get all of that here. Look, this is your auth file, and inside this auth file you will have all of this code, login screen and logout screen. Okay, so here is your theme for coloring, and this is your main activity. Okay, all of this stuff is created by Claude, and now you can just start run your application, and you can start building mobile app by using help of Claude.